Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. I am standing outside one of my fix and flips. We're going with a new strategy on this one. I bought this a few months ago for $140,000 from my direct marketing campaign. It was rented for a couple months, so we collected rent, and then it became vacant, a month or so ago. And we had some bids to fix it up from a couple contractors. It needs a ton of work. So what we're actually gonna do is do just some minor cleanup, things like that, and then try and sell it as is and see how that happens without doing a full remodel. So we'll go check it out. Make sure you check out investformore.com for more information on everything I'm doing. I have like 450 free articles on rentals, flips, being an agent, all that good stuff, and my weekly podcast as well. And you can check out the before video on this one in the comments or my playlist. But we didn't do a whole lot in here. Tore out the carpet, so there is hardwood underneath it. We did not paint. We did not do any fixtures. Just tore things out, trashed it out, and cleaned everything. So you can see most of the main floor has hardwood. The bedroom's back here. There's 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down. The windows are older. Obviously needs paint, fixtures, quite a bit of other work, but it's not in horrible shape right now. So we're gonna list it for $184,900 and see what happens. That would be one of the cheapest houses for sale in the entire town. So I think it will sell and we can make some pretty decent money without putting any work or time into it. Here's the bathroom, which again, is not horrible. The tile's decent. We did put in a new toilet. The old toilet was disgusting. I will spare you the details, but we replaced that. And here's the dining room. The kitchen is beautiful. Good old 70s cabinets and countertops. Again, if we were gonna remodel this, we would have gutted the whole kitchen. Would have been a very expensive project. I'll show you the backyard just a little bit. It's got a 1-car garage that needs work back there as well. Covered patio, which isn't too bad. Swamp cooler. The roof is in decent shape. It's old, but it's still in good shape. We had that checked out. And we also replaced the hot water heater and we replaced the furnace, which were both bad. So we did replace those. So we spent a little bit of money, but really not very much. Here's the basement. Again, just trashed it out, cleaned things up, tore out the carpet because it was pretty nasty. Utility room. And if we were to fix this up, it would probably take $40,000, maybe even a little more to get all this work done. And then we would be able to sell it for $250 maybe. So, I mean, you might make slightly more money fixing it up, but also take us a couple months of time, financing costs, all that would be more expensive too. And if we sell it quick, we have more resources to buy other properties as well. This is kind of a weird closet, sink room off of this bedroom. I guess that used to be a dark room for the previous owner. Here's the bathroom. Shower there. This again, we have to redo this whole thing. So in the end, it can still leave, you know, some decent profit for somebody. Probably wouldn't be the most amazing flip, but if there's an investor who wants a cheap rental or an owner occupant who can get a loan that doesn't require a bunch of repairs, they can build some equity in the house in a crazy tough market right now to buy things in. So that's the property. I will try and do an update on this video after a few weeks, let you know if we've got it sold or not. We've done this before with a couple of properties where we did minor repairs, tried to sell them, and it's worked out great in some cases. In other cases, those properties haven't sold, and we end up fixing them later. So we'll see how this one does, and hopefully we can get it sold, make some money, and keep flipping. We've got 18 going at the moment right now, so we're staying busy, and we should have a couple more done in the next week or two here, so be on the lookout for more videos. I know we posted 2 finished ones already this week, and we'll be posting some more here soon. All right, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and we'll be back for more soon. Thanks a lot.